The Liso also has a calendar view, and this is really useful if we want to have a look at more information about all of our meetings taking place in the room today, or if we want to book or amend a meeting that's taking place in the future. To access the calendar view, all we need to do is click the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen here. We can see the meeting that's due to take place from 5 till 6. We can, for example, extend that meeting to start a little earlier at 4:30. Authenticate that the same way that we did with instant meetings earlier. But if we want to have a look at meeting availability perhaps next week or further on from there, we can actually use these toggles here to be able to choose a day in which you want to book a meeting. So if I want to go for, let's say, a 3:30 start on Tuesday next week, I need to click on the screen, choose the start time by clicking these icons here. Let's take that till 5 p.m, clicking the green tick to confirm, and then popping in my PIN code as so. Very, very easy and very simple to book.